Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start with clean, moisturized skin. Press gently and wait 1 to 2 minutes so the moisturizer settles. Take a 0.5 pea-sized amount of color-correcting primer, not a glob. Apply to the center of your face where discoloration is most visible. Use your ring finger or a damp sponge to pat, don't drag, so the pigment blends into skin. Once done, make sure coverage is even and thin. This builds a smooth base that prevents cakey makeup later. You now focus on color theory. Green neutralizes redness, peach cancels blue or purple under eyes, lavender brightens sallow tones. Apply product only where needed, using small taps and stippling. This deposits color precisely and keeps skin texture intact. Blend edges outward so there are no hard lines. Make sure you leave the corrected area slightly more sheer than you think, because foundation will even it out. After blending, wait 10 to 20 seconds, so the primer sets before moving to foundation. You finish by applying foundation carefully. Use a damp sponge to press product over the primed areas, rather than dragging, which can lift the primer. If you still see tint peeking through, blot gently with a tissue, then add a very thin layer of foundation. If creasing occurs, lightly dust a little translucent powder only where the crease appears, then press more foundation if needed. One troubleshooting tip. If colors appear streaky, remove with micellar water and start again using even thinner layers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.